by myself in my house with no chemicals and nothing, with my hand and without 20k. What's up guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jumoke of Moke's Crib. If you're new here, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're fam. Thank you for stopping by. So this is my dread. I just took my recent hair. Okay, so before I took the hair out, before I took this dreadlocks out, I was because my dreads are like, they're having a lot of issues because of the coloring and a whole lot of other things that I don't want to bore you with. I just feel like I need to restart again, because now I know the most common remedy of getting rid of your dreads is cutting them off, which I don't want to do. So I found a place here in Abuja, Nigeria, where they can loosen the dreads, right? So I messaged them on IG and that was the conversation. They said 20k to lose this, to lose 51 pieces of not so long dreads, and I've been looking forward to this. I don't want to cut my hair. And then as I was just losing the hair, that's hair. So after I lost about 3, I was bored and I was like, just looking at the hair in the mirror. But I'm like, okay, let me even see. These people charged me 20,000 naira to lose this. So I just picked one hair and I started losing. Just like that. Like my dread, a normal dread like this. And I started losing. As you can see, that's when I started losing it. And I kept going and it was losing. After I saw that it was working out, so I noticed my hair was shedding because of the coloring. Like I said earlier, it has damaged my hair. I thought of ways to moisten my hair. And I remember that I have this conditioner from when I used to keep my natural hair. So I just applied it on the hair and I kept losing. It was a bit softer and easier to lose. And I kept losing, like in the picture you can see there. Like it kept going on and on, and tada, there you go. Yes, that is my hair. Haha, that is my hair. That is my hair. Dimension. I'll show you guys how I actually lose dreads of. It should be up to 2 years. Yeah. I'm going to continue losing. I know it's going to take some time, but I'm going to continue losing. And I'm going to continue filming. Anytime I'm losing, I'll continue filming to show you guys how I'm doing it. This fractal comb and this basically are the things I'm going to be using. So, stick with me as I lose my dreads. Haha. my friend will be joining me to lose the hair because my hand cannot reach the back. As you can see, we've gone pretty far. We've lost like about 15 or so. How far we've come, and it's not been easy. It takes an average of 9 minutes to lose one head, so imagine how long it will take to lose 51. The hair is not really that painful. It's just I have very tender scalp, so that's why. Guys, I have to tell you this cause I'm trying my best to be as clean as possible, and I think I should involve this as well. I'm not going to lie to you and say I did not lose hair or anything. As a matter of fact, I lost a lot of hair, like heartbreakingly much hair. Like they say, you can't eat your cake and have it. So all this was expected, just so you know that you're going to lose hair. That's a picture of how much hair I lost, and yes, it's so painful. So prepare yourself if you're going to get this done. Don't be scared, don't worry. You can't eat your cake and have it, but then at last you're still going to have your hair. I'm done. For now, I'm going to have to pack it because I have stuff to do and I'm not ready to wash, so I can't get over this hair, man. Like, bro. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and of course give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you find this video very helpful. See you in my next video. Love you. Bye.